So this sort of question generally is on a non-calculator paper, but recently I saw a question very similar to this on a calculator paper. You need to give your answer as a mixed number. A lot of people get this confused because if you just put this into your calculator as it is, it might calculate it as 2 multiplied by 3/5, and actually what it is 2 add 3/5. So what I'm going to do is show you how to put 2 3/5 add 1 1/4. So I've got a fraction button here, but above it in yellow is a mixed number button. So I'm going to put 2 3/5 in here. I'm going to click the forward button, and then let me just check. It's adding 1 1/4, adding again the shift and the mixed number button, 1 1/4 or 1/4. I then click equals. Now it automatically gives me the answer as an improper fraction. 77/20, which is not actually what was required, but put that information in anyway. It shows that you've done this calculation correctly. Then the really nifty part, if you click shift, and then rather than the SD button just on its own, just clicking the SD button moves it from a decimal to a fraction usually. You can click shift and then the SD button, and it automatically puts it as a mixed number for you. So you can then just write, ta-da!